of the great pottery making activity. We made a lot of pottery structures like humans, cups, glasses, flower vases and many more.
Today we are doing pottery making. This is a great experience because in our Narayana School we are doing pottery for the first time.
It was a very beautiful and joyful day today. We made different kinds of pottery styles and also tried to do quill pottery. It was a very beautiful day and I wish to make this happen again. Shubho Nobo Barsho.